Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Python on Windows machine. Also, I will be showing you how to run first Python program using it. So let's start the video. You can open any of your favorite browser and just type Python download. And here you can see the official website python.org. Just click on download Python link. And now here you can see it is showing me download Python 3.10.6 and this is for Windows machine. If you have any other operating system, you can click accordingly. So I'm just going to click on this download Python. Okay, so my download has been started. Okay, so download is done. Now I'm going to click on this exe to start my installation. Okay, let me minimize my browser and here I'm going to click on run button to run this exe. Okay, so here you can see it is showing me install Python 3.10.6 for 64-bit machine, and here it is showing me install now and custom installation. So I'm going to select custom installation, but before that just checkmark this add Python 3.10 to path. So path will be added into your environmental variable, and now click on this customize installation. So here it is showing me various products which will be installed. I recommend install everything from here. So documentation will be Python documentation file. PIP is used for installing other packages in Python, and here we will be having IDLE and Python test suite and py launcher. So checkmark everything and just click on next button. And now here it is showing me certain advanced options. So I'm going to check mark on this install for all users. So if I'm having other user on my system or on my laptop, so for them also Python will be available. So just check mark on this option, and this is showing me the installation directory for Python. So it will go in program files under C:, and folder will be Python 310. If you wish to change, you can just click on this browse button. I have no reason to change, so I'm going to click on this install button. Okay, now it is asking me permission, so I'm going to click on yes button. Okay, my setup has been started. My setup is done. It is showing setup was successful. I need to just close this. Okay, now I'm going to open my command prompt, and here I'm going to type Python -- version. And you can see it is showing me Python 3.10.6. Now you can run your Python program on command prompt, or you can open IDLE and run there. So I will show you both the ways. So here let me shift to Python shell. So just type py and hit enter. You can see now shell has been changed to Python. Now here I'm just typing a simple print statement. So CS corner. Okay, so you can see it has printed CS corner. So you can type any command over here and run. Now I'm closing this command prompt and I'm going to start my Python IDLE. So just type IDLE, and here you can see it is showing me Python 3.10 64-bit. So just click on that. Okay, so my Python IDLE has been started. Now whatever command you want to type, you can type here also. So I'm just typing print welcome. And you can see it is showing me welcome message. So if you want to save this, you can save. Just go to file menu and click on save as, and wherever you want to save, you can just select the directory. I'm just taking desktop, and here I'm giving name as program1.py. So my program has been saved on my desktop. You can see program1.py, or if you want to create a new file, you can do that, new file. And here also you can write command. So I'm just writing print. Thanks for watching. Okay, now let's run this program. But before running, you have to save the program. Okay, so just save your program. I'm just saving program 2, and it is showing me message. Thanks for watching. If you want to edit the program, you can edit and rerun. And you can click on F5 button, or you can click on run over here. So before that, it will save your program and then it will run. So now you can see you are getting message. So this way you can install Python on your system and you can run your first Python program. I hope this video has helped you. If yes, then don't forget to hit on like button. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.